the Islamic State's West Africa province. Although the actual ties between ISWAP and ISGS are limited, the Islamic State's West Africa province is officially termed Vilayat Gharb Afriqiya, meaning West African province. It is known by a variety of other names and abbreviations such as ISWAP. And, since ISWAP has formally absorbed ISGS, it has also been differentiated by experts into two branches, namely, ISWAP Lake Chad, and ISWAP Greater Sahara. ISWAP's origins date back to the emergence of Boko Haram, a Salafi jihadist movement centered in Borno State in northeastern Nigeria. The movement launched an insurgency against the Nigerian government following an unsuccessful uprising in 2009, aiming at establishing an Islamic State in northern Nigeria and neighboring regions of Cameroon, Chad and Niger. Its de facto leader Abubakar Shekau attempted to increase his international standing among Islamists by allying with the prominent Islamic State in March 2015. Boko Haram thus became the Islamic State's West Africa province. When the insurgents were subsequently defeated and lost almost all of their lands during the 2015 West African offensive by the multinational Joint Task Force, these two groups have since clashed with each other, though they possibly occasionally cooperated against the local governments. In addition, Shekau never officially renounced his pledge of allegiance to IS as a whole. His forces are thus occasionally regarded as second branch of ISWAP. Overall, the relation of Shekau with IS remained confused and ambiguous. In the next years, Barnawi's ISWAP and Shekau's Boko Haram both reconsolidated, though ISWAP grew into the more powerful group. Whereas Shekau had about 1,000 to 2,000 fighters under his command by 2019. The Islamic State loyalists counted up to 5,000 troops. It also changed its tactics and attempted to win support by local civilians, unlike Boko Haram, which was known for its extensive, indiscriminate violence. ISWAP began to build up basic government services and focused its efforts on attacking Christian targets instead Muslim ones. However, the group also continued to attack humanitarian personnel and select Muslim communities. In the course of the Chad Basin campaign, ISWAP had extensive territorial gains before losing many to counter-offensives by the local security forces. At the same time, it experienced a violent internal dispute which resulted in the deposition of Abu Musab al-Banawi and the execution of several commanders. In the course of 2020, the Nigerian armed forces repeatedly attempted to capture the Timbuktu Triangle from ISWAP, but suffered heavy losses and made no progress. In April 2021, ISWAP overran a Nigerian army base around Mainok, capturing armored fighting vehicles including main battle tanks, as well as other military equipment. In the next month, ISWAP attacked and overran Boko Haram's bases in the Sambisa forest and killed Abubakar Shekau. As a result, many Boko Haram fighters defected to ISWAP, and the group secured a chain of strongholds from Nigeria to Mali to southern Libya. Despite this major victory, ISWAP was forced to deal with Boko Haram loyalists who continued to oppose the Islamic State. In August 2021, Abu Musab al-Banawi was reportedly killed, either in battle with the Nigerian army or during inter-ISWAP clashes. In late August, ISWAP suffered a defeat when attacking Diffa, but successfully raided Run, destroying the local barracks before retreating with loot. ISWAP's central command is subordinate to IS's core group headed by self-appointed Caliph Abu Ibrahim al-Hashimi al-Qurashi. Initially, ISWAP was headed by a single commander, termed the Wali. The group's first overall Wali was Abubakar Shekau, who was succeeded by Abu Musab al-Banawi in 2016. The latter was replaced by Ba Idrisa in March 2019, who was in turn purged and executed in 2020. He was replaced by Ba Lawan. In general, the Shura, a consultative assembly, holds great power within the group. This has led researcher Jacob Zen to argue that the Shura gives the group an element of democracy. The Shura's influence has allowed ISWAP to expand its popular support, yet has also made it more prone to leadership struggles. Appointments to leadership positions such as the Shura or the governorships are discussed internally and by ISIL's core group. IS's core group also has to approve new appointments. In May 2021, the Shura was temporarily dissolved and Abu Musab al-Banawi was appointed caretaker leader of ISWAP. By July 2021, the Shura had been restored, and ISWAP's internal system had been reformed. The regional central command now consists of the Amirul Jaish and the Shura. There is no longer an overall wali, and the Shura's head instead serves as leader of ISWAP's governorates, while the Amirul Jaish acts as chief military commander. Sa served as new Amirul Jaish, while Abu Musab al-Banawi became head of the Shura. However, there